So let us do this lab. We'll log on to the domain controller with administrator account. Okay, then we'll go to tools. So let us wait for a few seconds. Okay, then we'll go to Active Directory, users and computers. Okay, then we'll right click on Sales OU, and here we have this option, Delegate Control. We'll select this option, we'll click Next, and we'll add the user here, and the user is Bill, and we'll check names. We'll click OK. So user is added here. Then we'll click Next, and we need to give this permission, create, delete, and manage user accounts, create, delete, and manage the groups. Okay, so these two options are selected, create, delete, and manage user accounts, create, delete, and manage groups. Then we'll click Next. Finish. Then we'll go to Server Manager, Tools, Group Policy Management. Under this Group Policy Management, we'll expand Forest, Domains, and our domain is ms.com, and we'll not select this default domain policy. We'll select this option, Domain Controllers. Under this Domain Controllers, we have a default domain controller policy. Okay, then we'll select this option, Edit. Then we'll go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, and we'll select this Security Settings. Under the Security Settings, we'll go to Local Policies. Under this Local Policies, we'll go to Users, Rights, Assignment. Then we need to select Log On. Local option. Okay, let us allow log on locally, and then we'll double click on it, and here we don't have bill, so we need to add bill here. You can browse as well, browse, and you need to provide the username here, check names. Okay, okay, then you will apply. So we log out from the server. Okay, and we'll log in with bill account. We'll sign out from here. And we'll log in with bill account 1, 2, 3, 4, and the sign-in method you are trying isn't allowed. For more information, contact your administrator. So guys, we have already allowed Bill to access this server, but still it is not allowing because we have not updated the policy. So we need to update the policy. So we'll log on with administrator account. We'll wait for a few seconds. We'll make this server settle down. We'll type this command to update the group policy. It is updating the group policy. So computer policy update has successfully done, and we'll switch the user. We can sign out, we can switch the user as well. Bill 1 2 3 4. Now if you see, we are able to access this domain controller. So Bill is having the access. Now what we will do, we'll open the server manager. Bill 1 2 3 4. So after opening this server manager, we'll go to tools. Under tools, we'll go to Active Directory users and computers. We'll expand ms.com, and we are having this finance OU, sales OU. So first we'll go to finance OU and we'll create some users here. Right click and let us go to sales OU. Okay, I think this bill is having the sales OU permission. If you right click here, so we have provided the permission to access the sales OU. So we'll right click new, and you can see it can create users and groups. It doesn't have the other options. Let us create S5, S5, and then we'll provide the password 123, 123. Then we'll click next, then finish. You can see we are able to create the username here. If you want to delete, you can delete it. It is having full control on sales OU. Full, not full control. He can create the users. He can delete the users. He can create the groups and he can delete the groups as well. So let us create the group as well. Says group 2. We'll click OK, and we are able to create the group successfully, and we can delete the group as well. Bill is having permission to delete the groups as well. Okay, but if Bill wants to create any user and group in finance OU, he can't do it. If you right click here and it doesn't have any new option here. Whereas if you go to sales, you will find the new option here, and if you select this new option, he can create user and group. So this is how you will delegate the permission.